Hey, Ken Van Loo here. I want to thank you so much for always checking out my channel. But today I want to tell you a little story about 221 West 29th Street. This is where the concrete plant started, the company that we had, Tower Concrete, pouring 30-story towers in New York City. And I want you to know that it sounds intimidating, but it's just one floor at a time. So if you're in residential, it's like literally building 30 stories, 30 houses on top of each other. And that's how you break it down. And what I really want to tell you is that breaking down real estate investing is really simple. When you break it down into three components, it's finding, funding, and facilitating. And if you start that journey and keep it that simple, it's a lifetime journey. Finding real estate is done in so many different ways. You can find real estate the old-fashioned way, using classified ads. You can find it today using massive data. You can do it nationally. You can do it in your backyard. But finding real estate is all around you. And there are so many opportunities. Today, people are freaking out because of the pandemic and the impact. There's more opportunities than ever. The second thing is funding. At 60 years old, are still learning how to fund properties today. We're moving into institutional money, and it starts with private money. It starts with sometimes your own money, but if you don't have any, that's okay, because I show you how to buy real estate with no money down. Until this day, and every day that you're in real estate, you're always learning about the funding aspects of real estate. Facilitation, that's another whole story. That's the entire process. Finding, funding, facilitating the process. It's just not property management. This just isn't managing property. This is an asset. This is a tangible asset that you can touch. And why are we touching it? So that it produces passive income for you for the rest of your life. That's the idea. See, people want to go financially free and they think they have to make millions and millions of dollars. You become financially free the moment you make a couple extra dollars more than you have to pay out every month. So if you have $5,000 in obligations and you make $6,000 in passive action, well, let me know if you're not financially free. Think about it, and then you expand it from there. Of course, when you're young, now's the time to get started. Create your financial freedom. As you grow, you increase your passive revenue, and it just continues to flow. And that's really how it starts. Now, I happen to learn in reverse because I'm a little backwards. It was top-down thinking. I built the skyscraper first before I actually did my first residential real estate investing. And then I got lucky and did 137 deals in 1 year. But luck is preparation meeting opportunity. It took me 137,000 hours, and my overnight success only took 33 years, 256 days, 17 hours, and 16 minutes. It takes a little while. But you don't have to spend that time. And that's why I'm here today to really teach you about the modern wealth building formula, financial freedom protocol, and real excited to tell you about the Dennis Quaid special, where we're going to go out to 60 million households and talk about real estate investing today and keys to investing and really paying it forward. Because, I've been blessed to have this success, but I started with nothing, $10 a week. I'd buy a case of beer, $4.64 at that time, wash my clothes, and then I was broke. But that's how it started, with $10 a week and just having a belief system, because it's all right here. This is 50% of the battle. 50% of the battle is in your head. And I just want to leave that with you today, that this is really simple if you keep it simple. Find, fund, and facilitate real estate investing. Check out kenvanloo.com. Thank you so much for following my channel, and make it a great day.